Powerful websites that feels illegal to know. Part 2. Looking for unique fonts to spice up your designs? Let me introduce you to Dafont.com, one of the most popular font repositories on the internet. Dafont is a free font archive that features thousands of typefaces for personal and commercial use. From elegant scripts and modern sans serifs to horror-themed and graffiti-style fonts, Dafont has something for everyone. The site is incredibly user-friendly. You can browse fonts by category, alphabetical order, popularity, or even by the designer. Each font page includes a preview tool, so you can see how your custom text will look before downloading. Most fonts are free for personal use, but always double-check the licensing terms if you're planning to use them commercially. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or just someone looking to make a cool birthday card, Dafont is a go-to resource for fresh, creative typefaces. Check it out at www.dafont.com.